In this video, I'll show you how to change or edit the receiver name on Western Union easily. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to change or edit the receiver name on Western Union using the app, first open the Western Union app on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen where you can see your recent activity and transfer options. From the home screen, tap on the menu icon located in the top corner of the screen. In the menu, look for the option called History and select it. This section shows all the transfers you've made through Western Union. Here you'll need to find the transaction where you want to update or correct the receiver's name. Once you locate the transfer, check the status of the transaction. If the transfer has already been completed and the money has been picked up, the name can no longer be edited. However, if the transaction is still in progress or waiting to be picked up, you should be able to make small corrections to the receiver's name. Tap on the specific transaction to open the transfer details. Next, look for the option labeled More or More Actions, usually shown as 3 dots. Tap on it to open additional options related to that transfer. In the menu that appears, select Edit Receiver's Name. This will open the screen where you can modify the receiver's name. On the Edit screen, tap on the part of the name you want to correct. Keep in mind that Western Union only allows minor corrections to the receiver's name, such as fixing a small spelling mistake or adjusting a letter or two so the name matches the receiver's ID. You cannot completely change the name to a different person. If the change you try to make is too different from the original name, the system will not allow the update. After making the correction, tap Continue or Save to submit the update. If the change is accepted, the system will process the update right away. In some cases, the transfer reference number, also known as the MTCN, may be updated. If that happens, make sure you send the new reference number to the receiver so they can pick up the money without any issues. If the system does not allow the change because it is too different from the original name, the only option is to cancel the transfer and send a new one with the correct receiver details. This ensures the receiver's name exactly matches their identification when they go to collect the funds. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.